Hi, I'm Dan. I'm an undergraduate engineer here at Universal Field Robots, and I'm with the UFR RadioPOP. A mining customer approached us to find a solution to facilitating communications with drills on the mining bench and to be able to quickly repair weak connections without the need for manual movement. So we developed the UFR RadioPOP to provide a point of presence radio node anywhere on the mining bench, either autonomously or remotely controlled. So RadioPOP is built on our E20C based platform, allowing for agile movement around the mining bench and a reliable, robust design. We have our standard autonomy sensors, such as our depth sensor, our LiDAR, and GPS positioning, allowing for autonomous capabilities. All throughout the platform, we have a range of IP cameras, allowing for operator monitoring. Along the back, we have our radio point of presence satellite, allowing for communication with the wider mining network. We also have mode indicator lights, our 4G and Wi-Fi connection, and at the top is our mask, which allows for adjustment depending on the ideal height. At the top of the mast, we have our mesh node network, which allows for communication between all of the drills on the mining bench. And finally, a PTZ camera, allowing operators to get a full 360-degree view of the surrounding area. If you'd like to find out more about the UFR RadioPOP or any of our other base machines or capabilities, head to our website universalfieldrobots.com.au.